Hi guys, how are you all? I think everyone is well. Today I'm going to show you data science project with cursor. In this project, we will use the cursor AI agentic workflow to make the project. In this project, make the we will do the EDA and also we will train the model with the help of cursor AI agentic. Then we will also make the Streamlit app with the help of Cursor AI agentic workflow. If you have not much time to watch this video until end, then use the 2x speed. But please watch this video until end and let's start this video without wasting time. Now here is the cursor. It similar like that the VS Code. Now I am writing the prompt for the cursor. So let's see. Okay, I write it the prompt here. Now let run the cursor. Now it thinking thoughts, explore the data set structure, then building the project step by step. Okay, now it make the it create EDA notebook script for heart disease data. Okay, now it make the notebook 01 EDA and it is the Jupyter notebook. Here is the notebook. Now it is the train.py. Now it made the two files. This time it made the app. This app is a Streamlit app. Keep it. Now let's see what next. It is keep running and now it is making readme.md. Now this time it is working on readme.md. It made the readme. Now this time it made the wall project. We just need to run and also it sorry, I also give the permission to run the commands. Now it running. Here is the EDA notebook. It changing some things. Before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all and also like this video and thanks for watching. Now it stop running and it giving commands to run manually on the terminal. But I know first we need to make the Conda environment, then we will run these commands. Okay. Now this time I make the environment and now it installing the requirements libraries in the Conda environment. Let's see. It taking much time. I will skip this part. Now it collecting all libraries. It is on the final step. Now here is the notebook. We are in the notebook. Let's select the kernel first. The name of the kernel is heart disease. Let's see it show or not. It keep searching the environments, but still I think we need to install ipykernel library, then it will be work. I hope. Let's see. Okay, the library is installed. Let select the kernel. I hope this time it will be show. Let write here. Okay, not okay. And here is the code of this notebook. It not working. I think we need to move forward. I mean, we need to move next. Later we will see the how we can run this notebook. So let train the model. We need to run the command that is python src under train.py. Let run the command in the terminal. So here is the command, and I run the command, and it working. Okay, it run out and save the best model. Here the best model is logistic regression, and here is the other models. You look here, it select the best model on the base of F1 score and other matrices score also. And one thing, the project is the about the heart disease, the person have or not. The basically project is a classification ML project, also data science project. Now this time we will run the Streamlit app. Then we will enter the uh, data of the person, of the patient. Then it will tell the previous data. Then it will tell the based on the previous data person have or not of the heart disease. And here is the app. I run the app and it loading. Let's see, it load the model and now it loading the app. Okay, it loaded the app. Here is the prediction, and it's showing absent and risk probability is 0.6. Let's put some values and then see the what it will be answer. I mean what it will be show. Here is the prediction: heart disease absent and risk probability is 46.0%. That mean how much chances to have a heart disease. Now let push some more values. Okay, it also showing how much values we can put. Okay, here is the prediction: heart disease presence and risk probability is 98.2%. That mean this person have the heart disease. Now this time we are going to upgrade the README. It also make the README, but this time we need to upgrade the README. Here is the README of this project, heart disease prediction, and you can look here. Everything, every detail is the here, and I am showing you. Here you can see which Python I use, and you can also make the Python environment, and you can also use the Conda if you have the Conda, and then you can install the dependency, sorry, by using pip install. And also here is the port where and exploratory data analysis processing model. Everything, each of everything is the here in the readme. It make the readme as well beautiful and great. Like and subscribe my channel if you find this video is helpful. Now I am in the VS Code and running this notebook that we were unable to run on cursor. Now here I selected the heart disease kernel and let run the import cell. Now it connecting the kernel. Okay, it run it. Now let load the data set. Okay, I load the data set. Now let run the define function, define cell. I mean, here is the define cell. Here let run the describe. Here is the count, mean, standard deviation, and also uh, minimum 20%, 50%, and 75%, and also maximum values. And here is the heart disease present versus absent chart. Here is the distribution of numeric features plots. All numeric features plots here. You can look. And here is the correlation metric plot. You can look here. Now the last feature correlation with heart disease. Here is the feature correlation with heart disease. So the notebook is over here. You can look. Also, the notebook is complete now. So this was our today video. I hope you enjoyed it and like it. If you liked it, then hit the like button and also subscribe my channel to watch more videos on AI and data science and how you can get the source code. If you want to get the source code, you can also check the my description. I always paste every project GitHub repository link in the description. So please check the description to get the source code. And we will meet again. Bye bye.